When I decided to learn Live2D over the summer, I did it by watching YouTube videos. A lot of YouTube videos. There are a ton of resources out there, but not enough. I really wish that there was a video covering topics in the "oops, how do I fix this without scrapping the whole thing" vein. So, that's what I'm going to do in this video. Here are 3 topics I'm covering today. Topic 1, finding a mistake in your art and wanting to change it without totally starting over. Also known as, "Oh no, I don't have enough hair parts." Topic 2 will be issues with warp deformers, or, "Oh my god, I deformed this totally wrong. How do I get it back to how it's supposed to be?" Topic 3, parent-child hierarchy confusion. Or, why are my eyes floating around the screen? They weren't doing that before." If any of these are driving you insane today, then this is the video for you. Topic 1, re-uploading your PSD. Okay, so if you are needing to add more hair parts, or accidentally deleted the nose, or just want to make your art look a little bit nicer, here's what you do. Go back into your PSD file and make the changes. Rename it to something a bit different, and then drag that new file into Live2D. When the box pops up, you're going to select your model, because we're not going to create a new one. And in the next box, you'll select Replace, which just swaps out your current art with the layers that share the same name. It'll also add only the new layers. So if you need to replace a nose, just make a copy of it, and it will appear there, fresh and new. Alternatively, you can add in just the new layers you want by putting those layers into a new PSD, dragging them in, and selecting Add All Layers as New Art Mesh. You'll find your new pieces in a folder at the top of your parts list. Okay, so for topic 2, when you've been playing with a warp deformer and it's looking so bad that you just want to start over, instead of hitting the undo button 4 million times, you can do this. Make sure that the art mesh is selected, then go to Modeling, Edit Form, and Revert to Original. That'll pop it back into the way that the art mesh is supposed to look. Alright, and now for topic 3, what to do when your face is wandering. The issue here is with the warp deformer hierarchy. In this case, the child part is not with its parent. In case you need a quick lesson, here's an example of the parent-child relationship structure. When a child part moves, the parent part is unaffected. But when the parent moves, the child is affected. And when you're deciding which movements will be the parent or child, I like to think of it like this. The smaller movements need to go inside of the bigger movements, like a hand waving on an arm. The problem was that the face is not a child of the whole head. So we just need to drag face into whole head, and now whenever we move, the face will come with us. So when your character is moving from side to side, you're gonna want to make sure she brings her face with her. I hope that this video has helped you with some of the questions you've had while learning Live2D. And if you can think of anything more for me to make troubleshooting videos for, I'm happy to make more. So just write down in the comments what you're struggling with, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!